Guardians. Since dawn, a vast primal land stretches beneath smoking volcanoes and roaming giants. The view drifts, revealing early humans moving carefully across the plain. A small camp sits beside a cave mouth, smoke curling into the blue sky. Children play near the fire, while adults prepare food and tools. Tall grass ripples, something heavy parts the stalks at the edge of camp. The children turn rigid, faces drained, eyes fixed on the approaching predator. Adults surge in, bodies forming a living wall between children and danger. Hands snatch sticks, stones, and burning branches from the campfire edge. The line holds, fire raised, stones ready, eyes locked on the striped shadow. The predator snarls, then edges backward, swallowed by tall grass and glare. Night falls, the tribe gathers deep inside the cave around a steady fire. Children lean into embraces, warmth and relief settle with the crackling glow. Ancient firelight fades into a modern family holding children, warmth continuous.